Hi everyone, my name is Tony. I don't want to waste any of your time today. I just want to teach you the very basic commands that you need to know in order to use the Vim text editor. So let's say you have this file called test.txt. In order to open it and edit it, you type Vim followed by the name of the file. Hit enter to open that. Go down to the third line in this example. I'm just going to use my arrow keys. And if you would typically start typing your name here, it would not work. In order to type something in Vim, you have to enter insert mode. And to get into insert mode, you type I. And you can see when you type I, you'll see insert mode down at the bottom. Now you can freely type as if you were in a normal text editor, and that looks good. This last line here says, let's remove this really long, unnecessary line that we don't want anymore. Again, use your cursor keys, your arrow keys to get all the way to the end of that line on the right-hand side, and hit backspace until you get to the left. Now, this is not the most efficient way to use Vim, but it is the most basic way to use Vim. Make sure your cursor goes up to the previous line. Let's save the file. How do we save the file? Well, we have to first get out of insert mode, and to do that, you hit the escape key. You'll see that insert mode is no longer down there. The other mode that you want to learn in addition to insert mode is the command line mode, and you enter the command line mode with shift : and you'll see that you're in the command line mode with the colon down here in the bottom left hand corner. Now you have three options, basic options to save the file. You can either save it with W, meaning write, like write out the file. You can write the file and leave Vim right away, or you can just quit and override any of the changes with Q exclamation point. I like our changes, so I'm going to write the file and quit out of Vim. So let's do that, hit enter, and we're back on the command line. Let's just verify that our changes have been saved so we can edit the text file again with vim test.txt, and it has been changed. Now let's say you want to, you came in here, oops, you made a mistake. I don't want to save any of these changes, it scraps. So get out of insert mode with the escape key, get into command line mode with shift : and then we'll quit out of Vim with Q exclamation point. That's not going to save anything. We can verify that again by typing vim test.txt, and you'll see that our changes has not been saved. That's it at a very basic level, how to use Vim. That should get you 95% of the way there of what you need to do, whatever it is. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing to this channel. And if you do, I'll see you in the next one.